are trialling these e-scooters as an environmental friendly way for residents to get around Great Yarmouth, Gorleston and Bradwell. This is a great opportunity for people to experience the benefits of e-scooters and use them alongside cycling and walking as modes of affordable, reliable and clean travel. Please remember though that you can only use the authorised Ginger branded scooters that are part of this official trial.
We have around 35 scooters to start with and 50 bays. You can hire an e-scooter via the Ginger Shared Transport app, and the process is really simple. You must be age 16 or over and show us a photo of your provisional or full driving licence along with a selfie to prove it's yours. Riding an e-scooter is a great experience and a greener substitute to car travel over shorter distances. E-scooters can be ridden on roads and cycle paths within the trial area, anywhere bicycles can be legally used, and we have additional safety measures in place including dismount and go slow zones, plus a fixed maximum speed limit of 11.5 miles per hour.